On a previous video, I was showing you what I was making. Now I'm going to show you how I anchored my vent pipes off of my water heater, because during the hurricane the wind moved them, which caused the seal that they have to leak. And when the seal leaks, water comes down between the seal and the pipe and the vent pipe. So I have that one anchored over here because I have two water heaters. I have this one anchored here, and I anchored it to the beams, the cross beams up here. And so hopefully when the next wind blows, not only will the straps that the builder put in, but these wood anchor boards will help keep it from moving. Now I have to get the roofer to come out and reseal them to see if that'll stop it from leaking.